Hey guys, this is Forte. Today is March 30th and tomorrow will be March 31st, which will mark the last day of this quarter. And I believe that the stocks are going to get ready to move starting next quarter. Just for some reason, everything is setting up perfectly at the end of this semester. I don't know why I say semester. I guess I'm still in school mode, but I already graduated, by the way. Anyways, my point is that I think, yeah, for some reason, like just at the end of this quarter, everything seems to be setting up ready for next quarter. Everything looks good. Other than the Nasdaq, which is the QQQ looking ugly, everything else looks fine, you know. And I actually got three different ideas for you guys today. Now, check description. If you don't want to watch the technical, skip it. I don't mind that. But if you guys want to learn and get better at trading, then here you go. First one we got is a KIRK, KIRK, Kirkland. It's the this thing you got, the brand, Costco brand, whatever you call. It's hovering around the all-time high area. Well, not really, since all-time high is 31. It's at 27 right now. I believe that this stock has good potential to pull up to 31 plus into all-time high in the next couple of days. We take a look at the daily chart. You can obviously see that it's making all higher lows and higher lows with the flat and the rising 20 and 50-day moving average. We just tested the 50-day moving average lately and seems to be bouncing back from it. Now you can't really find any good entries on the on the day chart, so you don't go down to the 15-minute chart. Now, as you can see that the stock has been consolidating for the last couple of weeks after a big fall on the 23rd, right? Now you can see that stock is starting to go up, but the thing is, I would like to purchase this, but maybe not on strength, but maybe after this thing has pulled back a little bit, as the 5-day moving average starts to rise up, and then as it starts going up from here, then we buy it around this area at 23. Sorry, my bad. Buy it at 23. My bad. Sorry, 27.52. And I probably, if we were to go in around this area, I put my stop um around this might be a little bit around right here. Okay, so entry at 27.52 with a stop at $25.68. That's for KIRK. And then the next one I have for you guys is SOLY, Salton. I don't know what company I'm trading, but I just find charts, right? You can see it has good weekly chart. Well, weekly chart might look a little extended, right? But the thing is that it's been putting in 2 weeks of just consolidation. So we just look down the daily chart and see what's going on. You can see that the stock has bounced from the 50-day moving average from $11 all the way to $19, right? And it started coming down, pulling back, testing the 20-day moving average slowly, and it seems to be consolidating pretty nicely around this area, right? Now, if we were to wait for this to break above this area and buy it, I think that would be too big of a move. I think that this stock potentially has good potentials to make moves like this, go up slowly like that. And I want to also devour those kind of movements. So we drill down on the 15-minute chart, right? Now, you look at it, you see it's consolidating. Who knows how long it might get consolidating. How long it's going to continue this consolidation. But the thing is, you have to keep in mind that, by the way, this orange line is the 5-day moving average. And when the first hour starts tomorrow, we're going to start taking away data from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The data from right here will be gone. So this move downwards will be gone. So the 5-day moving average will actually start to rise and flatten out starting tomorrow hour when we start to move above this area, which is where I want to purchase this, which is around buy this at about 17.15 with the stop. I believe at this low is good enough at today's low. So 17.15 by 16.11. Okay. And one more stop I have is actually CNSL, a communication company or whatever. This one has like I said, the weekly chart looks pretty bad if you look at it from how many years ago? 4 years ago. But lately it's been starting to get above the 20, 40, 50, 30 weeks moving average. If we want to drill down to the, daily chart, you can see that we have the rising 20-day moving average and the rising 50-day moving average, right? Going really hard at it. And the last 5 days ago, it seems like the stock tested the 20-day moving average and the reaction was good. Now, the problem is that you might see this and be like, the stock just moved from 630 all the way to 708. It's how many cents is that? That's anyway, it's a pretty big movement, but I think, and you might think it's overextended, like buying above right here might be a little too exhausting. That's when you want to see drill down to the lower time frame. This is the 30-minute mark, right? As you can see that lately we've been testing in the last 2 days, tested the 5-day moving average. Also, we had a huge, we broke down pretty much undercutting every single pivot. You can see that all these pivots got undercut, and the reaction for this was pretty good. We were able to make it up. And then if we drill down to the 15-minute chart, we can see that after moving from on the 25th, we go up. The consolidation right here has been pretty nice. It's like good consolidation, bouncing right off the 5-day moving average, and then bouncing off the 5-day moving average, and then making higher lows as we go up. So I will actually have a good buy on this stock around above, I say, the little high that made on the 29th, which is 709, with the stop at, let's see, so 705, and I'll put my stop right here. I think it's good enough, which is a 674. Thank you guys for watching. Long video, I know. 3 ideas, I usually do 1 idea per video, but why not? Good service. We're about to hit 1,000 subscribers, right? Check description for also the Discord, chat room, which is free, by the way. I'm open for people to join. We have a couple more spots left. Anybody can join. We discuss about stocks and everything, and I post trade ideas like this a lot of times for free. All right, see you guys next time, and subscribe to the channel.